Hey guys, it's me, Ricky Hegwood. We're down here with the kids. There's Nathan. Say hi, Nathan.
Hi.
We're down here doing remote control boats, and Grace Barna is the camera girl, but I have to go rescue the remote control boat. As you can see, it's cold out, and I'm going.
Be careful, Greg. Careful, Greg.
I got it! Woohoo! I rescued it! High five! Woo-woo! Good, good. All right, high five, Grace. Here's Grace.
Hi.
You guys having fun doing remote controls?
Yes!
All right.
Yeah, we are.
All right, here's our remote control boat. It's a dandy.
A dandy?
Yep.
What's a dandy?
Right there. And well, we're gonna go see if we can go use the clubhouse pool. So on our next video, we'll see what we can do. Until then, peace out. Ricky Hegwood and Nathan and Grace Barna. It's November, almost Thanksgiving 2013. Y'all be good. Peace.